Hey everybody, it's I Want2Be Retro. Today we're going to take a look at installing n8n workflow automation on macOS. To get started, launch the terminal from LaunchPad. First, we'll download and execute the installation script for the Homebrew package manager. Authenticate with your password, then press enter to continue with the installation. Once the Homebrew package manager is installed, we'll use it to install the latest version of Node.js 16. Then we'll make sure the binary is correctly linked in the operating system by unlinking it and relinking it. Next, we'll install the MariaDB database backend. Once MariaDB is installed, we'll start the service, then install Brew services so it can start at system boot. Now we'll connect to the MariaDB database using the MySQL command line utility. And using SQL commands, we'll create an n8n database, as well as a service account with full permissions to the new database. We'll flush the MySQL privileges, then close the connection to the database. Next, we'll set some environmental variables with the export command to set up the database connection and time zone. Then we'll install n8n and all the dependencies using sudo npm install n8n. Once n8n is installed, we can start it by running sudo n8n start. Open a web browser and navigate to the DNS or IP address of the host, :5678. Complete the owner account form by entering an email, first name, last name, and password, then click Next. Complete the questionnaire, then click Continue. Then click Get Started. Welcome to n8n, running natively on macOS.